How to create password protected folder in Mac. If you are using MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, iMac or Mac Mini, the step will be same for all these. Before moving forward to this video, please subscribe this channel. So first step is to press Command plus Spacebar to turn on Spotlight search in your Mac and search here Disk Utility. Open it. This is the screen of Disk Utility. Now click on File, select New Image and go to Blank Image. Here you have to give your folder name. So I am giving Log Folder. Again you have to give the name of folders. I am giving the same. You have to change image format. I am selecting a sparse disk image. Change the encryption to this one. Here you have to give your password. Now click on Save. See, the folder has created successfully. Now I am checking on my desktop. See, the folder has created. Okay, so first you have to eject this one. Now let's try to open this folder. It is asking for the password. I am giving my password. You can open the folder from here. As you can see, this folder is totally blank right now. Once again, I am ejecting this folder to show you either password protection is working or not. So I am opening this folder once again. See, it is asking for the password. Hope you guys understood this step. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.